Hello everyone, this is Vijay here from website.com, and today in this video tutorial I am going to teach you how you can easily create this kind of professional agency website by using one of the most popular multi-purpose WordPress theme named as Total Responsive Multi-Purpose WordPress theme. This theme is one of the best selling multi-purpose WordPress theme at present time. If you come to this theme plus website, here you can see when I select the best selling themes, this total theme is coming in number 7th position. This is one of the most popular theme at present time, and at this time when I am recording this video, this theme is available only in $29. Don't worry, I'll give the free download link of this total theme in this video description. From there you can easily download it and use in your website. By using this theme, actually you can create any kind of website if you watch this tutorial from starting to end, because in this tutorial I am going to explain almost all the important features and elements available in this total responsive multi-purpose WordPress theme. Now without wasting time, let me introduce you with the most important feature of this total multi-purpose WordPress theme. As I tell you before, this theme is truly multi-purpose theme. I mean, by using this theme, actually you can create any kind of website, whether it's a business website or a blog website or a agency website or a shop website or a corporate website. Any kind of website you can create by using this theme. As you can see here, the total sale number already cost 50,000. It's really a very good number. Not only that, but also it get almost 5,000 5-star rating, which is really impressive. This theme comes with front-end page builder. As you can see, it's using WP page builder, so you can easily customize the website without any kind of coding knowledge. Don't worry, I'll teach you almost all the elements available in this total responsive multi-purpose WordPress theme. This theme comes with almost 50 plus predefined demo template, and they have the demo for all. They have the demo for the business website, blog website, agency website, shop website, corporate website, or a single landing page website or a portfolio website. But in this tutorial, basically actually I am going to teach you how you can create a website from scratch, so you will get a detailed knowledge, in-depth knowledge about this total theme. With these themes, actually you will get almost 100 plus page builder elements, and by using them actually you can easily create awesome website. In this tutorial, actually I am going to teach you about all these important elements, so don't worry. Also, this theme comes with almost 150 plus customizer option. As you can see here at the left hand side, it have tons of customization option available. Also, this theme comes with inbuilt header and footer builder. So by using them, actually you can create almost any kind of header and footer according to your requirement. Also, with this theme you will get some premium plugin like WP page builder pro version, templater, and slider revolution. These themes also support RTL and WPML, so you can create your own website in your own language without any worry. Also, this theme is totally WooCommerce ready, so you can easily create WooCommerce website by using this total multi-purpose WordPress theme. And also, this theme supports most popular free plugins like SEO, Evergreen Calendar, Jetpack, Contact Form 7, etc, etc. And this theme is made for the performance. Whatever the website you will create by using this total theme, it will load in very high speed, which definitely help you to rank high in SEO. Also, this theme is totally mobile responsive. Whatever the website you will made by using this total theme, that will be totally mobile responsive. As you can see, I made this website, that is the desktop preview. If I change to the tablet preview, it's looking like that. It's really looking awesome. And if I change the mobile preview, it's looking like that. So you can easily understand whatever the website you will create by using this total theme, that will be totally mobile friendly. So now without wasting time, let me introduce you the demo website what I am going to create in this video tutorial. So at the top of the website here you can see a transparent header that contains the logo, my main menu bar, and special button. Okay, after that here you can see a full screen banner that contains some text, some subtext, and some button. After that here you can see all the feature works, that is actually the portfolio section. If I click on a single portfolio, this kind of professional looking portfolio page will open. Now again let me come back to the home page. So after portfolio, here you can see some process or steps. That's all actually the icon boxes. So after that here you can see our team session, and if I click on a team member, the detail of the team member will open like that. It's really looking awesome. So now I can come back to the home page, and after that here actually I highlighted this product, and here I display the product name, some about the product information, and some key point of the product. Okay, after that is the blog session, and here you can see a call to action session. and after that here you can see the beautiful footer, and this website is totally responsive. Okay, so now let me come back to the portfolio page. So in the portfolio page, in the top of the page here you can see a beautiful heading. After that here you can see all the portfolios. Now let me come back to the service page. So in the service page also, here you can see all the service provided by your website. It's really looking awesome. Now let me come back to the blog page. So in the blog page, actually here you can see all the blogs available in your website. If I click on a blog, this kind of single blog page will open, and in the downside here you can see all the related blog posts. It's really awesome feature. And in the contact page, here you can see a beautiful contact form. It's really looking simple and elegant. Now for designing this website, actually here I'm not going to use any real domain name and hosting account. I'm going to use XAMPP. XAMPP is a local server. For downloading and installing the XAMPP, you have to just search for the XAMPP, and after that you have to click in the first link, this apachefriend.org, and from here you have to click in the download option. And in this download option, if you a Windows user, then you have to download this one. If you a Linux user, then you have to download this, or if you a Mac user, then you have to download this one. Okay, so I'm a Windows user, so let me click in the download option. I'm talking about this one. So after downloading and installing the XAMPP, you have to open XAMPP control panel. Talking about this one. Once you open it, it will look like that. So from there you have to click in the start option for the Apache, and after that you have to click in the start option for the MySQL. Once they become green in color, just minimize it and open another new tab, and after that you have to type localhost. So this kind of window will open. From there you have to click in the phpMyAdmin, and here actually you have to create your database. For creating the new database, you have to click in this new option, and the database name, suppose I am giving as total2, and after that you have to click in the create option. This database name is totally case sensitive. Okay, so next what I have to do, you have to download the WordPress. So for that you have to again open another new tab, and you have to type wordpress.org. Okay, so that is the wordpress.org. From there you have to click in the get WordPress option, and here you can see the download option. Just click on that. Let me click in the start download. Okay, I already successfully download the WordPress. Let me click in the open. So here you can see the WordPress file. Next what you have to do, you have to open the file explorer. So I installed the XAMPP in my E drive, so I'm opening the E drive, and here you can see the XAMPP. You have to open that. If you install the XAMPP in C drive, then you have to open the C drive, and after that you have to open the XAMPP folder. After that process is quite similar. Okay, next from here you have to open the htdocs. Now in this htdocs, actually you have to drag and drop this WordPress file like that. Okay, it will take some time to copy everything, so please wait for that. So once everything get copied, just close this one. Next you have to come to the inverter market, and here actually you have to search for the total theme. So here you can see the total in WordPress. Click on that. So that is the theme actually, which is available only in $29. Click on that, and from here actually you have to purchase the theme. Now for my subscriber, actually I provide the link for downloading this in free of cost, so don't worry about that. You no need to purchase this. Okay, for that just pause the video and go to the video description. From there you can find the link. Just click on that, and after that download everything in a single folder. So once you place them in a single folder, it will look like that. So here you can see one image folder. So whatever the image I am going to use in this video tutorial, everything is present here. Okay, and after that, that is the plugin folder, and that is the theme folder actually. And here you can see that is the htdocs folder. So where I already copy the WordPress folder. So now let me rename this. I am giving the folder name as total2. After that let me open it, and after that I have to open WP content. Okay, so here you can see the plugin folder and themes file. Let me open the themes. By default something will be there, no need to keep them, just delete them. Okay, and after that just right click here, click in the copy, right click here and click in the paste. At the same time again come back to this WP content, open the plugins. Even here also have to open the plugins, and from here let me copy everything and let me paste it here. It will take some time to everything get copied, so please wait for that. So once everything get copied, you have to open another new tab, and you have to type here localhost / that folder name means total2. After that you have to click the enter key. This WordPress setup panel will open. From there you have to choose the paper language. I am choosing English. After that I have to click in the continue option, click in the let's go. So now here it asking the database name. I am giving the database name as total2. Hope you remember, and it is case sensitive. Okay, username that will be root, password not required. After that let me click in the submit option, click the run the installation, After that it asking the site title. I'm giving the site title as total tutorial, and username I'm giving as admin. Password also I'm giving as admin because it's a dummy website, so I'm giving admin and admin as username and password. But for your original project, actually I highly recommended use a strong user ID and password. After that you have to click in the confirm password, and here actually you have to enter your admin email ID. Next you have to click in the install WordPress option. After that again I have to click in the login option. You have to enter user ID and password, and after that again you have to click in this login option. Now that is the default dashboard. Okay, so from here you have to click in the API ends, and after that you have to click in the themes, and here you can see the total theme. Just hover on it and click in the activate option. Okay, so once the theme get activated, this window will open. So from there you have to click in this begin activating plugin. I already copy all the plugin folder, so it's coming like that. From that select everything, and after that from this drop down I have to choose activate, and after that you have to click in the apply option. So once everything get done, click in the dashboard option. Let me close this one. Actually in this tutorial I am not going to use this slider definition plugin. Again come back to the dashboard. So now let me teach you how you can import a demo. For importing the demo, actually here you can see the theme panel. Hover on it and you have to click in this theme panel. Okay, now if you want to import the demo, what you have to do, here you can see the import demo option is there. Click on that. Here you can see there are so many demos available. Suppose I want to import this demo, then what you have to do, you have to click on that, and after that you have to click in the next option. So once you click on the next, after that demo import option will come. In this tutorial I am not going to import the demo, so I am cancelling it. Okay, but by following this step actually you can easily import the demo in your website. Let me close this. So as you know, actually my website is actually a portfolio website. So first of all let me create portfolios. Before that actually I have to import all the images. For importing the images, what you have to do, you have to click in the media. Next you have to open the folder which link I already given in the video description. I am talking about this folder, and from here actually you have to open the images folder. Select everything by pressing Ctrl and A key, and after that just drag and drop them here like that. One by one all the images will be uploaded. It will take some minutes, so please wait for that. So as you can see here, all the images already uploaded. So now actually I am going to create a portfolio website. So let me add the portfolios first of all. Before adding the portfolio, first of all I have to create some portfolio category. So hover on the portfolio, and after that you have to click in the portfolio category. This kind of panel will open. So here actually you have to mention the portfolio category name, and after that you have to click in the add new. In similar manner let me add some more portfolio category. So once you add all the portfolio category, so now the time to create the portfolio. So for that you have to click in the portfolio, and here you can see the add new option. Click on that. So now here I have to mention the portfolio name, portfolio content. After that in the portfolio item, the budget, here actually I have to mention the product rate. Next here I have to mention the company name, and after that in the company URL I have to mention the URL. Okay, and from here you can easily choose the portfolio category. I'm choosing single category. If you want you can select multiple category also, it's totally up to you. Okay, after that just scroll down a little bit. So here you can see the feature image. Let me click on that. Come back to the media library, because I already upload all the necessary image. Suppose I am taking this image as a feature image. So select the image, and after that I have to click in the set feature image option, and after that I have to add some gallery image. So here you can see the add/edit image. Click on that, and from here let me choose some random image. By pressing Ctrl key at a time you can select multiple images, and after that you have to click in the insert into post. Okay, once done you have to click in the publish option. So in this way you can create the portfolio. For adding a new portfolio you can click in this add new option, else here also you can click in this add new option. In similar manner here also I have to mention the portfolio name. After that here I have to mention the portfolio content. Next here I have to mention the portfolio rate. After that in the URL I have to mention the URL. I have to choose the portfolio category, and here let me add some image in the image gallery. Click on that. Suppose here I am choosing these images. After that let me click in the insert into the post, and let me add the feature image also. Click on that, and from the media library suppose I am taking this image, click in the set feature image, and after that scroll up, and after that I have to click in the publish option. In similar manner, let me add some more portfolio, and after that I will come back. So as you can see here, I already create total 6 portfolio. Now let me hover on the stop, and after that I have to click in the add new option, because now I am going to create the stop. So this window will open. So from here, first of all, here I have to mention the stop name, I mean the person name. After here I have to mention about some information about the stop. Next, here actually I have to mention the stop position, and after that here I have to mention the social media link for that person. Okay, I am giving hash sign because hash sign indicate the empty link, because it's a dummy website. So here I am entering the dummy link only, and after that scroll down. Here you can see the featured image option, click on that, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, and after that I have to click in the set feature image. Scroll up, and here you can see the publish option. Let me click on that. Now for adding another staff member, again you have to click in this add new option. After the process is quite similar. Here I have to enter the staff name, staff detail. Here I have to mention the designation, and after that here I have to mention the staff social media link. Okay, here I have to mention the phone number also, and after that here I have to mention the email ID also. Now let me click in the set feature image option, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the set feature image option and scroll up, and after that I have to click in the publish option. So in similar manner, let me add some more stuff, and after that I will come back. So as you can see, I already create total 4 staff member. Now let me hover on the post, and after that I have to click in the categories, because now I am going to create post category. The process is quite simple. Just here I have to mention the category name, and after that I have to click in the add new category. Let me add some more category. So once you add all the category, after that I have to click in the add new option for creating a new blog post. Now for creating the blog post, first of all here I have to mention the blog post name. Next, here actually I have to mention the post content. After that come back to the post, and from here actually I have to select category. If you want, you can select single category, else if you want, you can select the multiple categories also. After that I have to set the feature image, click on that, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this MacBook image as a feature image, and after that I have to click in the set feature image, and after that I have to click in the publish option. Now for creating another blog post, again I have to click in this W option. After that again I have to click in the add new option. The process is quite similar now. Here actually I have to mention the post title. After that here I have to mention the post content. Next, click in the post, and from here I have to choose the category, and after that I have to choose the feature image for the post also. From the media library, suppose I am taking this image as feature image. After that let me click in the set feature image, and after that I have to click in the publish option. So in this similar manner, let me create some more blog posts. So as you can see here, I already create total 6 blog posts. Now let me create some templates. So for create the template, I have to hover on the WBerry page builder, and here you can see the template option. Just click on that. Now for creating the template, first of all I have to click in the add new option, and here I have to mention the template name. Click in the add element. So here let me search for the spacing. So here you can see the spacing, just click on that, and the spacing here actually I am going to use clamp feature. Clamp is a modern CSS feature. So the 60 pixel is the minimum value, that is the desirable value, and that is the max value. Okay, now let me click in the save changes, and after that let me click in the publish option. So again for creating a new template, again you have to click in the add new option. Template name I am giving as staff post. So now let me click in the add element, and here let me search for the template here. So here you can see the template here. Click on that, and from here I am choosing this template what I just create, content top and bottom spacing. Okay, let me click in the save changes, and after that let me click in the plus option. Here I am taking one row, click on that, and from here I am taking single row and 2 column, and here actually I have to add the featured image. So let me search for the image first of all. So here you can see the image, click on that. Now in this drop down I am choosing feature image. Remaining I am keeping here everything as it is. If you want to add some animation, always you can add it. Come back to the style option. Here also I am keeping everything as it is. Now come back to the size, and here I am taking this one, this staff post. Okay, click on that. Remaining no need to change anything. So let me click in the save changes. After that I have to click in the plus option here. So let me search for the page title. So here you can see the page title, click on that, and from here I am choosing H1. Come back to the typography. Here also I am keeping everything default only. Let me click in the save changes. Now let me click in the plus option. Let me search for the custom field. So here you can see the custom field, click on that, and here I am writing WPEX underscore staff underscore position. Okay, write exactly this one. Okay, so it will indicate the staff position, I mean staff designation. Come back to the style. Here everything I am keeping as it is, no need to change anything. Even in the typography also I am keeping everything as it is. Let me click in the save changes. After that I need some spacing, so click in this and let me search for the spacing. So here you can see the spacing, click on that. Spacing I am taking just 20 pixel. Okay, so here I am writing 20 pixel. After that I have to click in the save changes. After that I need the post content, so again I have to click in the plus option, and here actually I have to search for the post content. Click on that, and from here make sure this post content should be enabled. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Click in the save changes. After that again I have to click in this plus option, and here I have to search for the staff social link. So here you can see the staff social link, click on that. Style, I think this one will be good, flat color rounded. Okay, remaining I am keeping everything as it is. Click in the save changes, and after that I have to click in the publish option. So now again let me click in the add new option, and here the template name I am giving as portfolio archive. After that let me click in the add element. First of all let me take a row, and here I need some spacing, so click in this plus option. Let me search for the spacing. So here you can see the spacing. The spacing I am taking 4 Vmax. Click in the save option, and again I have to click in this plus option. Let me search for the postcard. So here you can see the postcard, click on that, and the style I am choosing image, and here remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Here in tablet let me make it 2, and for the mobile let me make it 1. Okay, column gap let me make it around 10 pixel. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Now come back to the query. In query, animation query, yeah, I want that, and here actually it should be portfolio. Remaining here I am keeping as it is. Now come back to the entry. Here also I am keeping everything as it is, no need to change anything. Now come back to the media. Make sure this thumbnail should be checked. Okay, after that let me click in the save changes. So after that again let me click in this plus option. Here I am taking another row, click in this. Here also I need some spacing. We can do one thing, just duplicate it. After that just drag and drop it here like that. So now again let me click in this plus option, and here actually I need the theme button. So here you can see the theme button, click on that, and the button text that will be view all project, and after that click in this link, make it go to initial pages. Come back to the style. Here the alignment let me make it middle. Okay, it's done. Let me click in the save changes. After that, let me click in the publish option. So after that, I have to create another template for the portfolio post. Let me click in the add new option again, and here the template name I am giving as portfolio post. Let me click in this plus option. Let me search for the spacing. Click on that, and here the value I am entering 6.6 Vmax. Okay, click in the save changes. After that, I need another column that should contain single row and 2 column like that, and here let me search for the page title. So here you could see the page title. Click on that, and the heading tag here I am choosing H1. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Come back to the typography. Font size, let me choose 3XL. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Let me click in the save changes. Now let me click in this plus option, and here I have to search for the post content. So here you can see the post content. Click on that, and here make sure the content should be enabled. Remaining no need to change anything. Even in the typography also, if you come here also, everything is looking good, no need to change anything. Let me click in the save changes. After that, I need some spacing. Click in this, and let me search for the spacing, and the spacing I am taking around 25 pixel. And after that, let me click in the save changes. Close it. After that, again click in this. Let me search for the custom field. So here you can see the custom field. Click on that, and here I am writing this one, WPEX underscore portfolio underscore budget. Okay, remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Click in the save changes. Again let me click in this plus option, and here I have to search for the post term. So here is the post term. Click on that, and taxonomy I am writing type. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Come back to the link. Yeah, everything is looking quite good. Style, make it inline list. After that, let me click in the save changes. After that, click in this. Here also I need some spacing. So here you can see the spacing. Click on that, and here actually the spacing I am taking around 4 Vmax. Okay, let me click in the save changes. After that, again let me click in this plus option. Let me take a row, and here in this row actually click in this plus option. Let me search for the image grid. So here you can see the image grid, and in this image grid actually everything I am keeping as it is. Just enable this post gallery, and after that remaining I am keeping as it is. So here header styling I am keeping default only. After the horizontal align I have to make it center. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Come back to the link. Yeah, everything is looking quite good, no need to change anything here. Come back to the image. Yeah, here also as you can see everything is looking quite good. So come back to the title. Even in title also I am keeping everything as it is, no need to change anything. Extract also, yeah, everything is looking good. So we can do one thing, just click in the save changes. After that I need some spacing, so let me click in this plus option, and here actually I have to search for the spacing. So here you can see the spacing. Click on that, and the spacing I am taking around 60 pixel. Okay, let me click in the save option. So again I need the theme button. Click on that. Let me search for the theme button. I am talking about this one, and here the button text that will be visit site. Click in this link option, go to custom link, and the link I want it should be portfolio URL. So here I am writing WPEX underscore portfolio underscore URL. Okay, remaining everything I am keeping as it is. In that style, make it center aligned. Remaining I am keeping as it is, no need to change anything. Okay, next come back to the typography. Here also everything is looking good, no need to change anything. Let me click in the save changes. So after that again I have to click in this plus option. Let me take a row. Now in this row again I need some spacing, so let me search for the spacing. and here I am going to use the clamp feature. As I already discussed what is the clamp feature. So 40 is the maximum value, 6 Vmax is the desirable value, and 100 pixel is the maximum value. Click in the save changes, and here let me click in this. Let me search for the next previous button. I mean talking about this one. Make it custom text, and here I am choosing angle. This one I am taking around 25 pixel, and the previous text that will be next project. Next text that will be previous project. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Enable this one, and after that come back to the style option, enable this one. Yeah, it's looking good. Click in the save changes. So once done, you have to click in the publish option. Once it published, again I have to create another template. So for that, again I have to click in the add new option. So here the template name I am giving as blog archive. After that, let me click in the plus option here, and here let me search for the template area. So let me click on that, and from here I am choosing this template, content top and bottom spacing. Click in the save changes. So after that, again click in this row, and here I am searching for the page title. So here you can see the page title. Click on that. Here everything I am keeping as it is. Just in this before text I am writing archive. Okay. Come back to the typography. In the typography text align, I have to make it center, and here the font size I am using the clamp feature. The maximum value I am keeping as 60 pixel, minimum value I am keeping as 34 pixel, and desirable value I am taking 4 Vmax. Okay. So now let me click in the save changes. After that, I need again spacing. Click in this, and here let me search for the spacing. So here you can see the spacing. Again here I am going to use clamp feature. Maximum value I am keeping 80, minimum 40, and desirable 5 Vmax. Okay. Let me click in the save changes. So after again I have to click in this plus option, and here actually let me search for the postcards. So here you can see the postcard. Click on that. Now in this postcard actually let me choose blog 14, and display type I am keeping list. If you want grid, always you can choose grid. It's up to you. Okay. Next, list divider. Let me make it solid. In spacing, let me use clamp feature. The maximum value I am keeping 40 pixel, minimum 30 pixel, and desirable value 5 Vmax. Okay. Scroll down. Yeah, everything looking good. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Come back to the query. Enable this one. Pagination, that should be load more. Entity, here everything I am keeping as it is. Even in media also. Okay, everything looking fine. Click in the save changes. So once done, let me click in the publish option. So once it published, again let me click in the add new option. Here the template name I am giving as blog post. After that, let me click in this, and here let me search for the template area. I am talking about this one, and here also I am choosing this one, content top and bottom spacing. Let me click in the save changes. After that, let me click in this plus option. Let me take a row. After that, click in this. Let me search for the breadcrumbs. This one. Everything I am keeping as it is. Directly come back to the typography, and font size I think 14 pixel will be enough. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Click in the save changes. Next, I need some spacing. Click in this. Let me search for the spacing. Spacing I am taking around 10 pixel. So here I have to write 10 pixel. After that, let me click in the save changes. After that, I need the page title. Click in this. Let me search for the page title here. So here you can see the page title. Click on that. I am choosing H1. Come back to the typography. Font size I am taking 2.4 em. Click in the save changes. So after that, I need again spacing. Do one thing, duplicate it. After that, just drag and drop it downside like that. Now let me increase the value to 15 pixel. After that, let me click in the save changes. So after that, I need the author bio. Click in this plus option. Here I have to search for the author bio. I am talking about this one. Come back to the style option. So I am choosing Alt 5. Up there I am keeping default only. If you want, always you can change it. After spacing I am keeping default only. Always you can change according to your requirement. Let me click in the save changes. So after author bio, again I need spacing. Do one thing, duplicate it. after that just drag and drop it here like that, click in the edit option, and I am taking around 40 pixel. Click in the save changes. So after that I need the post media, click in this plus option, and here I have to search for the post media. So here you can see the post media, click on that, click in this media. Okay, everything is looking good. Image size, let me choose the blog post, click in the save changes. So after that again I need the spacing, duplicate it, and after that just drag and drop it downside like that. Again let me click in the plus option, and here I need the post content. So here you can see the post content, click on that. Here everything I am keeping as it is. Come back to the typography. Font size I think 17 pixel will be enough. Let me click in the save changes. So after that again I need the spacing, duplicate it, drag and drop it downside. Now let me click in the plus option, and here let me search for the flexible content. So here you can see the flexible container, click on that. Item alignment, let me make it center. Let me click in the save changes. Now let me click in this plus option, and here I have to search for the text block. So here you can see the text block, click on that, and my text block content will be share this article. Come back to the typography. Here everything I am keeping default only, no need to change anything. Let me click in the save changes. Again I have to click in the plus option, and here I have to search for the social share. So here you can see the social share, click on that. So here actually for the Twitter, make sure Twitter should be selected like that. For the Facebook you have to select the Facebook. If you want to add some extra, by clicking the plus option you can always add the extra social media sharing option, but here I am keeping everything as it is. Let me click in the save changes. So after that I need again spacing. We can do one thing, just duplicate it, and after that just drag and drop the spacing downside like that. Here the spacing value, let me decrease to 30 pixel. Click in the save changes. After that I need another heading, click in this, and here let me search for the heading, click on that, and here the text will be comments number. Okay, come back to the style option. Bottom margin I think 40 pixel will be enough. Remaining I am keeping everything as it is. Click in the save changes. So here now need the post comment, click on that. Let me search for the post comment. So here you can see the post comment, click on that. Everything I am keeping as it is. Let me click in the save changes. So again I need spacing, click in this plus option. Let me search for the template area. Even here also I am choosing this. Okay, content top and bottom spacing. Click in the save changes. Again I have to click in this plus option. Let me search for the spacing, click in this, and here I am again going to use the clamp feature. The minimum value I am keeping 40 pixel, maximum 100 pixel, and the desirable value is 6 Vmax. Okay, click in the save changes. Now click in this, and here I have to search for the next previous post link. I am talking about this one, custom text, that should be angle value I think 25 will be perfect. Previous text will be previous article, and next text will be next article, reverse order always. And here in this extra class name I am entering this one, wpex-flex-wrap-wpex-gap-10. Okay, remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Click in the save changes, scroll up, and after that I have to click in the publish option. Now actually I have to create home page. For creating the home page you have to hover on the pages and click in the add new option. Here the page title I am giving as home, and after that I have to click in the publish option, and once it published I have to click in this WWERY page builder option. Now I want to use the front end page builder, so I am clicking in this front end option. So as you can see my front end page builder is looking like that, but I don't want my home page should be look like that. For that I need couple of customization. So for that what I have to do, just close it. After that again I have to click in this, click in the dashboard. Now from here I have to hover on the appearance, and after that I have to click in the customize option. So first of all let me set the default home page. So for that let me click in this, and from here I am choosing home, and after that I have to click in the publish option. Now come back here, click in the global style, accent color, click on that. So as you can see in so many places in my demo website I use this pink color, that is nothing but the accent color actually. So let me click in this, and from here I am choosing this pink color. Okay, let me click in the publish option. Now come back here. Here actually in the color schema I doesn't change anything, I'm keeping everything as it is, but if you want to change always you can do it. Okay, there are so many options available. For the link color you can click here and you can choose the link color on hover, etc. But everything I'm keeping as it is. Even you can change the button color also, even the button radius also, if you want you can change it. Everything I'm keeping default. So now let me click in the general theme option, click in the side background. If you want to change the background color always you can do it from here. Even if you want to add some background image always you can do that, but everything I'm keeping as it is. Next, come back here, click in the page header title. Top padding I'm taking around 45 and bottom padding also I'm taking around 45. So in the bottom margin I'm going to use the clamp feature. So from here I have to choose function and here I'm writing clamp. 40 is the minimum value, 5 Vmax is the digital value and 60 is the maximum value. Remaining everything I'm keeping as it is. Top border width, let me make it 0. Even this also make it 0. Okay, click in the publish option, come back here. Now let me click in the breadcrumb. Ending till title I don't need, disable it. This one I think 7 will be perfect. Come back here, click in the theme heading. Yeah, everything is looking perfect, no need to change anything. Come back to the pages. Even here also as you can see everything is looking quite perfect, no need to change anything. Let me come back here, search result page, disable this one. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Let me click in the publish option, come back here. After that, social share button. So in the social share button what you want to display you can decide from here. Even if you want to add something extra always you can choose and click in the add option for adding. Suppose I want to add this Pinterest, click on that and after that I have to click in the add option. So in this way you can add the option also. Now scroll down. Now label for the Twitter, that should be Twitter. Label for the Facebook, that should be Facebook. Label for the Pinterest, that should be Pinterest. And label for the LinkedIn, that will be LinkedIn. And label for the email, that will be email. Okay, after that I have to click in the publish option, come back here. Numbered pagination, yeah, everything looking cool, no need to change anything. Again come back here, load mode or infinite scroll. Here if you want to change anything always you can do it, but I think it's perfect, no need to change anything extra. Okay, now from here if you want to change the next and previous link always you can do it. Even if you want to enable the reverse order always you can do that also. Even you can customize the padding also. And if you want to customize the custom next label and previous label text always you can enter it here. It's a dummy website, so everything I'm keeping as it is. Local scroll link, here everything I'm keeping as it is. Just disable this one. Scroll top button. So from here if you want to change the style always you can do it. Suppose I'm making it accent color, so on pink color bottom will be appear for the scroll to top option. Scroll to top button is nothing but actually this button. Okay, here you can see the button, this called the scroll to top button. Now no need to change anything here, everything I'm keeping as it is. Come back here. Now click in the layout option, click in the general. Everything I'm keeping as it is. The desktop width make it 1200. After that medium screen width. Okay, everything I'm keeping as it is. Tablet width, yes, it's looking good, no need to change anything. Mobile phone width, yeah, everything looking good. If you want to change always you can do it, but here everything I'm keeping default only. So next click in the typography. So from here if you want to change any typography always you can do it. Suppose I want to change the custom font. Suppose I'm choosing Roboto here. So in this way you can choose your desirable font. I'm keeping it Roboto. Okay, after that body font. So here also I'm making it Roboto. So from here you can easily change the font family, font size, etc. There are several options available. Suppose you want to change the main menu, font color, font size, etc. You can click here and after that you can change that. Everything I'm keeping default only because it's a dummy website. Even if you want to change the toggle bar setting always you can do that also. Now come back here, click in the top bar, click in the general. I don't want top bar, so disable it. And if you want top bar, the content you can always change it from here, but in this demo actually I'm not going to use the top bar, so I'm not writing anything. Even for adding the option actually you can see in the downside, login link, search from, everything is present here. By just a single click you can add them. Suppose I want to add the search from, you have to just click that. So you can see the code already added here. It's really looking professional. Okay, let me click in the publish option. So now let me click in the header. Now click in the general option. So by default so many preset header style is available. From here suppose I'm choosing this 7th one. Now if you observe in my demo website, the header is totally full width. Okay, so from here I have to enable the full width option. And another thing observed, in my header actually here you can see the request code button is appearing, but here you can see no button is available here. So for that, what I have to do, here actually you have to mention this custom HTML code. Here you can see the request code, that is the button text, and here you can see the hash sign. Here actually you have to give the link for that button. Okay, here I am entering the hash sign because it's a dummy website. So now you can see this button appearing here. Okay, let me come back here, click in the logo. If you want a text logo, here actually you have to write the logo name. Suppose I am writing Web SEO tips. So as you can see, at the place of the total tutorial, here you can see this Web SEO tips is coming. And if you want to upload the image logo, you have to click here, and from the media library you have to choose the logo. Suppose this image I am going to use as a logo, so select that, and after that you have to click in the choose image option. So as you can see, my logo gets changed here. Okay, now from here you can change the height, width, etc. I am keeping it default only. Now from here actually you can adjust the width of the logo for the desktop, width of the logo for the tablet, and width of the logo for the mobile devices. Everything I am keeping default. Okay, now again come back here. So after logo icon. So logo icon is required if I use the text based logo. I am use the image logo, so that's not required. After the transparent header, enable it, but I don't want the transparent logo should be appear always. I want it should appear only in the home page. So for that, what I have to do, here I have to write is font page. Okay, so only in the home page my logo will be transparent. And another thing actually I forgot, if you use the image logo, then don't use the text logo. You can use any one. Okay, suppose I want the text logo, so what I have to do, I have to remove the image logo. Else if you want to use the image logo, then you have to remove the text logo. Like that it will work. Okay, after that come back to the sticky header. So from here let me make it animate sec. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. This one let me make it 65. Opacity I am keeping 1 only. Yeah, it's done. Click in the publish option, scroll up, come back here. Remaining here I am keeping everything as it is. Directly come back to the mobile menu. So mobile menu you want sidebar or drop down. Suppose I am making it drop down. Yeah, remaining everything I am keeping as it is. No need to change anything. Another important customization option actually I forget. You have to click in the layout, click in the general. I don't want any sidebar. So what you have to do, here you can see the content layout. I have to make it no sidebar. And after that I have to click in the publish option. So as you can see, there is no sidebar. So next what I have to do, I have to click in this cross option, and after that I have to come back to the pages, and here you can see the home page. So now what I have to do, you have to click on the home page, and after that I have to click in this W Bakery page builder. Now I want to use the front end editor, so let me click in the front end editor option. So as you can see here, there is no sidebar. So now I have to design the home page which should be look like that. So now actually first of all I have to click in this add email option, and after that I have to click in the row option. Next I have to click in this, and after that I have to click in the edit option for the row. Now from here I have to scroll down little bit. So here you can see the row stretch, make it stretched row. Okay, you can scroll down little bit. Here you can see the full height row, enable this one. Scroll down again. So here you can see the transparency header offset, enable that. Now directly come back to the overlay option. So from here I have to make it dark, and here the opacity I am taking around 40%. Okay, now I have to come back to the design option, because here I have to set the background image. Click on this, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image. Click in the set image option. Let me click in the save option, and here the size I have to make it cover. So as you can see, it's coming like that. Let me click in the close option. So now I have to add a heading. Click on that, and let me search for the heading here. Here you can see the heading, click on that. So now here I have to write this, because as you can see I need this heading. You can come back here, make it H1, come back to the style option. Here everything looking good. Here you can see the width, I have to make it 800 and make it center aligned. Remaining everything I'm keeping as it is. Next come back to the typography option. Here also I have to make it center aligned, and font size here I'm going to use clamp feature. Remaining everything I'm keeping as it is. Now let me click in the save changes. Okay, it's coming like that. So I think I have to change the color. So for that, in the typography, here you can see the color option. Just make it white color, and again let me click in the save option. Okay, now it's coming perfect. So next what I have to do, I need a text block. So I have to click in this plus option, and here I have to search for the text block. Okay, so here you can see the text block, just click on that. Now here actually I have to wrote this, because here you can see that is the content of the text block. So next what I have to do, scroll down, here you can see the width, just make it 500, make it center aligned. Come back to the typography, here also the color should be changed, click on that, and from here I am taking the white color, make it center aligned, and font size I am taking around 1.2 em. Now let me click in the save changes. So as you can see it's coming perfectly. So after that actually I need a multi-button session. Let me close it, click in this, and here let me search for the multi-button. So here you can see the multi-button, click on that. Okay, it's very coming closely. Do one thing, let me click in this and let me search for the spacing. Okay, now let me click in this and let me search for the spacing. So here you can see the spacing, and the spacing I think 30 pixel will be enough. Let me click in the save changes. Next what I have to do, just drag and drop it like that. So now I can come back to the button session, click on that. So just expand the first button, and here the button text that will be get started, and after that the custom color I'm choosing this accent color, I mean this color. Okay, hope you remember in the customization option I already choose this color as a accent color. Now scroll down a little bit, if you want to add any animation always you can add it, it's totally up to you. There are lots of animation effects available, you can take any one. Okay, so next come back to the second button, I mean this one, expand the option, and here the text of the button I'm taking get started. Okay, and this one let me make it white color, remaining everything I'm keeping as it is. Let me add a animation effect also. So next what I have to do, come back to the general option, here the gap let me add around 20 pixel. Now let me click in the save changes. Okay, so after that let me close this one. So as you can see my button is coming perfectly. So now scroll down, click in this plus option, and let me search for the template area, click on that, and from here from this drop down I'm choosing this content top and bottom spacing, click in the save changes. Now let me click in this plus option and let me search for the heading. So here you can see the heading, and my heading will be feature work. Okay, come back here, I have to mention the feature work, click in the H1. If you want to add some animation knowledge you can add. Come back to the typography, make it center aligned, font size I think 4 pixel will be enough. Let me click in the save option. Okay, it's coming perfectly. Let me click in the close. After that let me click in this plus option, let me search for the spacing, take the spacing, and spacing size I think 10 pixel will be enough, else make it 15 pixel, that also will be good. Click in the save option, and after that again I have to click in this plus option, and here now I have to search for the text box. So here you can see the text block, click on that. My text block content will be this one. Now come back to the typography. So here the size I am taking this. After that align, I have to make it center align. And another thing I forgot actually, come back to the general option. Here you can see the width, I have to make it 600 pixel. Click in the save changes, click in the close option. So after that again I need another gap, I mean spacing. So click on that, and the spacing this time I am taking around 40 pixel. Okay, click in the save changes. So next I have to click in this plus option, and here I am taking another new row. Now for this row click in this, and here stretch row, make it stretch row and content, no padding. Click in the save option. Now let me click in the close option, click on that, and here actually I have to search for the postcard. So here you can see the postcard, click on that. Card style I think image will be perfect, sorry image. Button margin 0, grid preview yes, and for the tablet it will be 2, for the mobile that will be 1. Column gap I have to make it 0. If you want to add some animation effect always you can add. I think fade up will be good. Okay, this one. Now come back to the query. Here I have to choose the portfolio because I want to display portfolio. Pagination disable. Top margin that will be 0. Okay, click in the media, make sure thumbnail should be selected. Let me click in the save changes. Let me check how it's coming. Okay, as you can see it's coming perfectly. Click in the close. So now actually I have to design this session, I mean this the process session. So first of all let me come back here. I have to take a new row. So let me click in this add element and let me take a row. After that I have to click in this edit row option, and from here I have to select stretch row. Next directly come back to the design option. Here I have to choose a light gray color background. I think that's perfect. Let me click in the save option. So after that I have to close this one. Next what I have to do, I need some spacing. Click in this. Let me search for the template area. I'm searching for this one. Click on that, and from here I'm choosing this one. Click in the save changes. So after that actually I need a heading. So again I have to click in this plus option here, and after that here actually I have to search for the heading. Here you can see the heading. Click on that, and my heading will be the process. Make it H1. Next directly come back to the typography option, make it center aligned, and the size I think 4 pixel will be enough. Let me click in the save option. Next let me click in the close option. So after that I need a small gap. Click in the plus option. Let me search for the spacing. I think 20 pixel spacing will be enough. Let me click in the save option. So after spacing again I have to click in this plus option, and here actually I have to search for the grid container. So here you can see the grid container. Click on that. Scroll down a little bit. I think for the MD2 will be enough. Remaining everything I'm keeping as it is. Click in the save changes. Now close this one, and here actually I have to search for the plus option, and here let me take the icon box. My first heading that will be strategy, and the content will be this one. Now come back to the style option. Make sure left icon should be selected. Okay. Now from here directly come back to the icon. Click in this, and from here let me search for the umbrella. I need this icon, and the color I am choosing this accent color. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Click in the save changes. Let me close this one. Now let me hover on that and click in this duplicate option. Now you have to click in this edit option. So now my heading will be this one. Come back here. So here I have to mention that, and that will be my content. So here I have to mention that. After that I have to change the icon also. Click in this. Click in this, and from the icon library I am choosing this one. Click in the save changes. After that I have to again click in the close. Again I have to duplicate it. In similar manner actually I have to make total 6 icon box. Let me do that, and after that I will come back. So as you can see I already create total 6 icon boxes. So now again I have to click in this plus option, and here actually again I have to search for the spacing. So here you can see the spacing. Click on that. Spacing I am taking around 60 pixel. I think that will be enough. Let me click in the save changes. Else actually if you want you can do one thing. Let me close this. At the place of the spacing actually again you can use the template area. So let me search for the template area. So click on that, and from here let me choose this one. Click in the save, and after that I have to close this one. So next what I have to do, I have to design this our team session. So for that again come back here. Let me take a new row. So again let me click in this plus option, and here let me search for the template area. When here also I am going to choose this one and click in the save change. After that I have to close this one. So after that actually I need the heading, but you can observe that actually I already create heading here. So you can do one thing. Just you have to click in the duplicate option for this one and duplicate option for this one. So next what I have to do, just drag and drop it here like that. Now again scroll up. Again this also just drag and drop it downside like that. Okay. So after that you can easily edit it. So my heading will be this one. So copy it, come back here, and here I have to mention it. Click in the save changes, and my content will be this one. So what I have to do, copy it, come back here, close this one, click in the edit option, and here actually I have to mention that. After that I have to click in the save changes. Here actually I need a spacing also. Click in this plus option. Let me search for the spacing. So here you can see the spacing. Click on that. The spacing I am taking around 15 pixel. So let me click in the save changes. After that close it, and after that just spacing drag and drop it here like that. So after that actually I need another spacing. So what I have to do, I have to duplicate it, and after that just drag and drop it downside like that. Next click in this edit option because I have to increase the spacing. I think 35 will be enough. Click in the save changes, and after that again I have to click in this plus option, and here I have to search for the postcard. So here you can see the postcards. Click on that, and the style I am choosing stop 7. Okay, you can choose anything according to your need. Next what I have to do, make it 4. After that for the tablet make it 2, and for the mobile phone let me make it 1. Okay, so after that if you want to add some CSS animation, always you can do it. Suppose from here I am taking this zoom in right. Okay, after that I have to come back to the query. So here everything looking okay, just make it stop, and after that disable the post. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. In the entry make it as 3, extra length make it 0, and in the thumbnail size make it stop entry. Okay, remaining everything I am keeping as it is. In the picture also I am keeping everything as it is. No need to change anything. Directly click in the save option. So as you can see it's coming perfectly. So after that let me close this one. Again I have to click in this plus option. Let me take a row, and from here click in this edit option for the row. After that scroll down a little bit, make it stretch row, and after that come back to the design option. Here also the background color I need light gray color background. Let me click in the save option. After that let me close this one. Click in this plus option. Let me search for the template area, and after that from here I am choosing this one. Click in the save option, close it, and after that again I have to click in this plus option. Let me take a row, and the row that should be single row and 2 column. Let me click in the update option. After that let me close this one, and from here click in this, and here actually I have to search for image. So here you can see the image. Click on that, click in this, and from the media library suppose I am taking this image. Click in the set image option, lazy load, enable it. Remaining here I am keeping as it is. Come back to the style option. The width I am taking around 450, and center aligned. Remaining no need to change anything. Click in the save option. After that I have to close this one. So next here actually I need a heading. Click in this plus option. Let me search for the heading. So here you can see the heading, and my heading will be this one. Copy it, come back here, and here actually I have to mention that. Make it as 2. In the style no need to change anything. Directly come back to the typography. So in the typography font size I think 4 XL will be enough. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Let me save it. After that close it. So after that again I have to click in this plus option, and here actually I have to search for spacing. So click on the spacing. The spacing I am taking around 40 pixel. Let me click in the save changes. After that I have to close this one. After that I need a text block. Again click in this and click on the text block. My text block content will be this one. Let me click in the save changes. Let me close this one. I think I have to change something in typography. Come back to the typography. I think 16 pixel will be enough. Click in the save changes, close it. Yeah, now it's looking quite good. Next, click in this plus option. Here actually I have to search for the icon list. I'm talking about this list item, okay? So my text will be this one, social media marketing. Come back to the style option. Bottom margin I'm taking around 15 pixel. Come back to the typography. Font size I'm taking around 16 pixel. Remaining here I am keeping as it is. Come back to the icon. Click in this. Let me search for the check icon. So I need this icon actually. Click on that. After that the color that will be accent. Click on the save option. Close this one. Okay, I forgot to give the spacing actually. Do one thing, duplicate it. Just drag and drop it here like that. Okay, after that I have to copy or duplicate couple of time. I think 5 is enough. Let me check how many is there. So total 5 is there, okay. After that you can easily change the text, but it's a dummy website, so I'm keeping everything as it is, okay. I'm not going to change the content. And another thing actually I forgot. Click in this edit row option. The content position I have to make it middle, okay. Click in the save option, and after that let me close it. So after that actually I have to design the blog session. So again come back here, click in the plus option, and here let me search for the template area. Click on that, and from here I am choosing this template. Click in the save option, and after that I need the title. So you can do one thing, just duplicate the title or heading from here, and after that just drag and drop it downside. Yeah, it's looking cool. And my title content will be this one. Copy it, come back here, click in the edit option, and here actually I have to mention the content. Click in the save option. After that I have to close this one, and here actually after that I need a small spacing. So here you can see the spacing. Click on that, and the spacing I think 40 pixel will be enough. Click in the save option. After that again I have to close this one. Click in this plus option, and here actually I have to search for the postcard. So here you can see the postcards, and in a single row I want to display only 3 columns. For tablet it will be 2, and for the phone it will be 1, okay. Here also 1. Column gap, let me use clamp feature. So for that click in this, and here I am mentioning clamp feature, because minimum ID is 35, maximum is 50, and desirable value is 4 Vmax. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. If you want to add the animation effect, always you can do that. Come back to the query. Make sure the post should be selected. Make it 3, and remaining I am keeping as it is here. Come to the entry. The font size X large will be enough. Make it H3. After the thumbnail size, that will be blog entry. Extra length I think 25 will be perfect. In media, thumbnail should be selected. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Let me click in the save option, and after that I have to close this one. Okay, I think I do some mistake. Click in this. Here in the card style, here actually I have to choose the blog style. Suppose I am choosing this blog 14, okay. Click in the save option, close this one. Okay, now it's coming perfectly. So the designing of the home page is complete. So let me click in the update option. Once it updated, I have to click in the backend editor. After that, for adding a new page, what I have to do? Again I have to click in the pages. So now for adding a new page, again I have to click in this add new option. So here the page title I am giving as portfolio. After that I have to click in the publish option, and once it published, I have to click in this WBD page builder, and from here I am going to use the front end editor. So I have to click in the front end editor option. So in the next step I have to click in this add element. From here I have to take a row. Now I have to click in this plus option, and here let me search for the template area. Click on that, and from here I am choosing this template. Click in the save option, and after that I have to click in the close option. Next again I have to click in this, and here I have to search for the heading. So here you can see the heading, just click on that. Text source, that will be custom source. My text content will be this one. Let me copy it, come back here, and here I have to mention that. After that, let me come back to the style option. Here you can see the width. Let me take around 800 pixel. And after that, the text align, I have to make it centered align. Next option, I have to come back to the typography. I have to make it center align. And for the font size, I am going to use clamp feature. Let me click in the save option. Okay, it's coming perfectly. Now let me click in the close. After that, click in this, and here again I have to search for the spacing. Click on that. Spacing I am taking around 50 pixel. Let me click in the save option, and after that I have to click in the close. Now let me click in this, click in the row, and from here click in this edit option for the row. Now if you scroll down, here you can see the row stretch. I am choosing this one, stretch row and content no padding. Let me click in the save option. After that I have to click in the close option. Now in between I have to click in this plus option, and here actually I have to search for the postcard. So here you can see the postcard, click on that. From here I am choosing image. In a single row I want to display total 3 column in desktop and 2 column in tablet and 1 column in mobile preview or mobile devices. Okay, and next column gap 0. Come back to the query. Here I want to display portfolio. I want to display all posts, so I have to enter -1. Okay, as you can see it's clearly mentioned here. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is only. No need to change anything. Directly click in the save option, and after that I have to click in the close. Okay, as you can see all the portfolios are coming perfectly. So designing of the portfolio page also completed. Now I have to design the service page. I'm talking about this page actually. Okay, so again come back here. Let me click in the update option, and once it updated I have to click in the backend editor. Next from here again I have to click in the add new option for adding a new page. Page title I am giving as service. I have to click in the publish option, and once it published I have to click in the WP page builder option. Next from here I have to click in the front end editor because I am going to use the front end editor. So after that I have to click in this, click in the row. From here I have to click in this plus option, and here I have to search for the template area. So here you can see the template area, click on that, and from here I am choosing this template. Click in the save option. After that I have to click in the close option. After that I need a heading, so I have to click in this. Here I have to search for the heading. So here you can see the heading, click on that, and after that my heading will be our services. Let me come back here. So here I have to mention our services. Now directly come back to the style option. Style everything I am keeping as it is. Directly come back to the typography, center align, and the font size, that will be this one. Okay, I am going to use clamp feature here. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Let me click in the save option. After that let me close it, and after closing actually in downside also I need some spacing. So let me search for the spacing. So here comes the spacing. I am taking around 50 pixel. After that let me click in the save changes. Next close it. After that click in the plus option, and here actually let me search for the grid container. So here you can see the grid container, click on that. So here the gap I am going to use the clamp feature. Minimum value 30, maximum value is 50 pixel, and the desirable value is 5 bmax. Okay, column I want to display 2. Okay, here also make it inherit. Yeah, it's done. Let me click in the save option, close it, click in this plus option here, and here I am taking this icon box. My heading, that will be web designing, and my content will be this. Here you can see this dollar displaying in different color. So for that actually in span the class I am taking wpex-text_ascent. After that I have to close the class, and text I am writing the dollar value. Okay, hope you understand. Just pause the video and write it carefully. Now come back to the style option. So from here the style I am taking top icon with outline. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Next I have to come back to the content. If you want to change the font size, always you can do that from here, but I am keeping it default only. Heading I think 2 XL will be okay, and make it H2. and bottom margin I think 20 will be enough. Come back to the icon. So here actually I need the brush icon. As you can see, I need this brush icon. So let me search for the brush. This is the brush icon, and the color that will be assigned, size make it around 50 pixel. Then we click in the save option. Okay, as you can see it's coming perfectly. Close it. Next just duplicate it. Okay, it's coming like that. Actually you can see there are total 6 icon boxes. Okay, so you can do one thing, again duplicate it, total 6 I need. So okay, it's coming perfectly now. I have to edit them one by one. For editing you have to click in this edit option. For the second one, my heading will be branding, my content will be this one. Next directly come back to the icon option. So as you can see here I need this bulb icon. So click in this and let me search for the light icon. So here I can see the light icon, click on that. Let me click in the save option, close it. Next click in the third one. So in the third one actually you can see my title will be social media. So here I have to write social media. Come back to the icon and here click in this, and here let me search for the share. Click in this, click in the save changes, close it. Next click in the fourth one. For the fourth one the title will be marketing. Come back here. So here I have to mention marketing, and my content that will be this. Come back to the icon. So as you can see I need this graph icon. So come back here, click in this, let me search for the graph. So here I can see the icon, click on that, click in the save changes, close it. Now for the fifth one, my text will be logo creation. So here I have to mention logo creation. My content will be this one. Come back to the icon, click in this, and from here suppose I am taking this icon, click in the save changes, close it. Now for the last one, my title will be SEO analysis. Come back here. So here I have to mention SEO analysis. So here my content will be this one. Now directly come back to the icon. So here I have to search for the browser. So you can see the browser icon, click on that, click in the save option, close it. Okay, it's coming perfectly. So after that actually I need this text. So for that what I have to do? So first of all I have to click in this plus option, and after that I have to search for spacing. So here you can see the spacing, click on that. Spacing I am not taking that much, I think 50 pixel will be quite enough. Okay, so next I have to click in the save changes. So next again I have to click in this plus option, and here actually I have to take the text block. Okay, and my text block content will be this one. Here actually I use the permalink. Whatever the contact us page link will be there, you have to take that. So here I will not create the contact us page, so I am removing the link. I am writing the normal text, but after creating the contact us page I will add this text with that contact us page. Okay, let me click in the typography. So in the typography I have to make it center align. Color I am taking custom only. After that scroll down little bit. After that here you can see the font size. I am going to use the clamp feature. After that font weight I think 500 or 600, whatever, both will be perfect. Next click in the save option, and after that let me click in the close option. So it's coming like that. I'll link up this get in touch later, don't worry. Just let me click in the update option, and after that I have to click in the backend editor. After clicking in the backend editor I have to click in the add new option for creating a new page, and this time my page name is contact page. Okay, so after that I have to click in the publish option, and once it published actually I have to click in the WooCommerce page builder. Now here I have to click in the front end editor because I am going to use the front end editor only. So from here I have to click add element, add row, and after clicking this, from here I have to search for the heading. So here you can see the heading. My heading content will be send a message, make it h1, remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Now come back to the style option, bottom padding or bottom margin, whatever, I am taking 20 pixel. Next come back to the typography option. First of all let me change the color to accent, make it center align. Font size I think 6XL will be okay. Let me click in the save option. After that let me click in the close option. So next actually I need a text block. So before that let me take a spacing. Click in this, Spacing I'm taking only 15 pixel. Let me click in the save option, and after spacing again let me click in this, and from here I'm taking text block. So here you can see the text block. Let me click on that, and after that here I'm writing this text. Come back to the typography, make it center align, and I think I forgot one thing. Here you can see the width. I have to make it 600 pixel. Let me click in the save changes, and after that let me click in the close option. So after that actually I need a contact form. Click on that. Let me search for the contact. So here you can see the contact form. Let me click on that. So as you can see my contact form is coming perfectly. If you want to change the label, text, color, everything, always you can do it, but everything I'm keeping default only. Let me click in the save option, and after that let me click in the close. So designing of the contact us page is also completed. Now what I have to do, I have to click in the update option. Next I have to click in the backend editor, and here you can see the permalink. Just right click, click in the copy link address. Now click in the pages. Now I have to open this services pages. Okay, click in this edit with WBery page builder option. From there if you scroll down, come back here, click in this. Now what I have to do, I have to select this get in touch option, click in this link option, and here actually I have to enter the link. After that I have to click in the apply. After that I have to click in the save changes. Now I have to click in the close option. So now the link up is successful. Again I have to click in the update option, and once it updated I have to click in the backend editor. So now let me click in this again, add new option, because I am going to create the blog page now. That will be a custom made blog page. So the title I am writing as blog. After that I have to click in the publish option, and once it published I have to click in this WBery page builder option. Now I have to click in the front end editor. Now here let me click in this add element option, and first of all let me search for the template area. Click on that, and from here I am choosing this content top and bottom padding. Click in the save option. After that I have to click in the close option. After that I have to click in this, and from here actually I have to search for the heading. So here you can see the heading. Click on that, and my heading content will be this one. Okay, after that I have to make it H1. Next I have to come back to the style option. Width I am taking around 800. Make it center align. Let me click in the save changes. Come back to the typography also. So in the typography also I have to make it center align, and for the font size here actually I am going to use clamp feature. Okay, everything is looking quite good. Next what I have to do, click in this, and here actually I have to search for the postcard. So here comes the postcard. So the style I am choosing blog 11. You can choose any style. After that I want the display type should be list. If you want always you can take grid also. It's totally up to you. After that spacing I am taking this one. I am going to use the clamp feature here also. And the divider, let me make it solid. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is here. Now come back to the query. So here make it 4. Page ignition, make it load mode. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Let me click in the save option. Okay, as you can see it's coming perfectly. Even the load mode option is also coming. So next I have to click in the update option, and after that I have to click in the backend editor. I think I already created successfully all the pages. Now actually I have to design the header. So now for designing the header actually I have to first of all come back to the dashboard, and after that actually I have to create the menu. For creating the menu I have to hover on the appearance, and after that I have to click in the menus option. Give the menu name as main menu. After that from here let me choose main/header, this one. After that I have to click in the create menu option. Next from here I have to click in this view all. From there I need home page, blog page, contact us page, portfolio. After the service page. After that let me click in the add to menu option. Now I have to arrange them little bit, like after home portfolio page should be there. After that services page should be there. After that blog page and contact page. Now I have to click in the save changes. So now let me check my website how it's looking. My menu is coming or not, let me check. Okay, as you can see my menu is coming, but it's not transparent. For making it transparent, what I have to do, here actually I have to come back to the pages, and from there I have to click in the home option. Now scroll down. So here you can see the title. So from here the title I have to make it disable. After that let me click in the update option. Now after updating let me check the preview. So as you can see, it now it's coming perfectly. Let me check the another pages also. So as you can see, everything is coming perfectly, no need to change anything. So designing of the header is complete. Now actually I have to design the footer, and as you can see, my footer should be look like that. So for designing this footer, what I have to do, I have to create a footer template. Before creating the footer, actually I have to create this Mailchimp sign up form. So for that I have to come back to the dashboard. So let me click in the install plugin option. Actually now I have to activate the plugin. Here you can see this plugin. I have to click in the activate option. And another thing actually I forgot to tell you, just delete the default plugin. Okay, this plugin actually really not needed. And another thing, you have to select all the plugin, and from here you can see enable auto update. Always you have to enable that, and after that you have to click in the apply option. Okay, so whenever the update will come, it will automatically get updated. Okay, next I have to come back to this Mailchimp for WordPress option. So it's asking for the API key. For API key, actually I have to come to mailchimp.com. So here you can see the Mailchimp, click on that, click in the mailchimp.com. Now let me click in the login option because I already have an account. So next what I have to do, you have to enter user ID and password, and after that you have to click in the login option. It will ask to accept the terms and condition. So let me click in the accept, and after that this page will open. So from there you have to click in this, click in the account and billing, and in the account and billing option, here you can see the extra option, click in the API key, and from there you can find the API key, copy that. After that come back here, paste the API key here, and after that you have to click in the save changes. Next what I have to do, you have to create a form. So for that you have to click in the form option. Now click in the add new form option. Now from here actually you can see one form already come. I don't require this label, so just remove them. Even I don't require this paragraph and legal tag also, just remove them. After that here you can see the save changes option. Let me click on that. Now come back to the dashboard again, and after that again I have to hover on the WBakery page builder, and here you can see the templates, just click on that. Now actually I have to create one new template. Let me click in the add new option. Now from here actually I have to create the footer template. The template name I am giving as footer. After that you have to click in the publish option. Let me click in the front-end editor. So now let me click in the add element option. So from there first of all I have to take a row. Now let me click in this edit option for the row, and I want it should be stretched row. So from here I have to make it stretched row, and after that I have to come back to the design option. So from there padding top I am taking around 60 pixel. After that padding bottom also I am taking around 60 pixel. So now actually I have to change the background color. So click in this, and from here I am choosing black color, and after that let me click in the save changes. So as you can see it's coming like that. After that I have to close this one, and another thing actually I forgot, I have to click in this, and from here I have to choose this one 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 and 1/4. Okay, let me click in the update option because in a single row I need total 4 column. So after that let me click in this plus option, and here actually I have to search for the image. So here you can see the image, let me click on that. So now from here let me click in this, and from the media library suppose I am taking this image, click in the set image option. So from there face property, let me make it auto. In style also no need to change anything, align that should be left aligned. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is, no need to change anything. Let me click in the save option, and after that let me close this one. So after that I need a small spacing, click in this, and here let me search for the spacing. So here you can see the spacing I am taking around 30 pixel. After that let me click in the save changes, close it. After that again I have to click in this plus option, let me search for the list item. So here you can see the list item, click on that. So here my text will be this one. I am writing this address in B tag because I need address should be little bit bolder. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Directly come back to the style option. Bottom margin I think 10 pixel will be enough. Alignment that should be top. Remaining everything here I am keeping everything as it is. Directly come back to the typography. Even in the typography also I am keeping default only, no need to change anything. Next come back to the icon option, and here actually I have to search for the home icon. So here you can see the home icon, click on that, and here the icon size, let me click in this and make it 30 pixel. Let me click in the save changes. So as you can see it's coming like that, but as you can see its color is not white color. So for that click in this and make it white, click in the save changes. So as you can see color gets changed. Again you have to come back to the typography. Even here also I have to change the color, click in this, and from here I am choosing white color. Let me click in the save option. Okay, now it's looking quite good. If you want to change the font size, always you can do that. Suppose I'm making it 16 pixel. If I make it 16 pixel, as you can see, the size already get increased a little bit. So after that, close this one, and here you can see the duplicate option. Click in the duplicate option. I have to duplicate it total 4 times. Okay, now it's looking quite good. So now let me click in the edit option for the second one. So here actually at the place of the address, it will be contact number, and that is my real contact number. If you want to contact regarding any WordPress related project, always you can use this number. So next, directly come back to the icon option, click in this, and here actually I have to search for the phone icon. Click in this, click in the save changes, close it. After that, for the third one, click in this, and for the third one actually my text will be WhatsApp in bold, and after that my WhatsApp number. Come back to the icon, click in this, let me search for the WhatsApp here. So that is the icon, click in the save changes, close it. And the last one, I mean for this one, click in the edit option, and here my text will be my email ID. Now come back to the icon option, click in this, let me search for the envelope. So here you can see the envelope icon, click on that, click in the save changes, and after that I have to close this one. Next, I need a heading, click in this, and here actually I have to search for the heading. So here you can see the heading, click on that, and my heading text will be latest post. Okay, next make it h1. Remaining everything I'm keeping as it is. Come back to the style option. Here also everything I'm keeping as it is. No need to change anything. Next, directly come back to the typography option. Here the text color I have to change, and that should be white color. Let me click in the save changes. So you can see the latest post is coming like that. Font size, if you want to change, always you can do that. Suppose I'm taking 20 pixel. So let me check how it's looking. So I think it's get decreased. Let me do one thing. Let me make it 25 pixel. I think 25 is perfect. So here, next what I have to do, I have to click in this plus option, and here actually I have to search for the spacing. So click in the spacing, and the spacing actually I am taking only 30 pixel. Okay, let me click in the save changes, and once it done, again I have to click in this plus option, and here actually I have to search for the recent news. So here you can see the recent news, click on that. Next, come back to the query. So here I want to display total 2 posts, so here I am writing 2. Come to the media, make sure it should be up. Next, category, that also should be disabled. Come back to the title. The font size I am taking around 16 pixel. Now come back to the data, make sure it should be enabled. Now next, come back to the extract. Length I am taking 10. Font size 14 will be enough. Remaining I am keeping everything as it is. Come back to the button. I don't want the button, so disable it. Let me click in the save option. So as you can see, it's coming perfectly, but I need another change. The color of the font should be white in color. Come back to the title. So here you can see the color, make it white color. Click in the save option. Come back to the extract. Here also the color, I have to make it white color. Click in the save changes. Okay, it's done. Close it. Now just duplicate this title or heading, whatever. Now just drag and drop it here like that. Click in the edit option, and here my title will be useful links. Okay, click in the save option, click in the close. After that, let me duplicate the spacing also, drag and drop the spacing here. Next, let me click in this plus option, and here actually I have to search for the list. So here you can see the list bullets, click on that, and here I am taking this much list item. If you want to add some animation effect, always you can do it from here. Come back to the icon. So from here actually I want to change the icon. From here let me choose font awesome. Click in this. Let me search for the check icon. I am taking this icon. Icon color, let me make this pink color. Icon spacing 20 pixel will be enough. Click in the save option. Okay, it's coming perfectly. Next, come back to the style option. Here everything I am keeping as it is, no need to change anything. Next, come back to the typography option. So here first of all I have to change the color to white color. After that, font size, I think 16 pixel will be enough. Next, line height, make it, click in this and make it around 250%. Okay, let me click in the save option. Okay, everything is coming perfectly. Let me close this one. So next what I have to do, again I have to duplicate this heading, drag and drop the heading here, duplicate the spacing. After that, just drag and drop the spacing here like that. Okay, now I have to click in the edit option for the title, and here my title will be about us. Click in the save option. After that I need a text block also. Let me click on the close, and after that click on the plus option, click on the text block. My text block content will be this one. After that come back to the typography option. In the typography font color I am taking white color. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is, no need to change anything. Let me click on the save option. So you can see it's coming perfectly. So after that actually I need a shortcode. Close it, click on this plus option. Let me search for the shortcode. Click on that. Now I have to come back to this Mailchimp form. So here you can see the shortcode. Copy it, come back here, and here actually I have to mention that shortcode. Click in the save option. So as you can see it's coming perfectly. But I think I need a small gap also. Click in this. Let me search for the spacing. So here you can see the spacing. Spacing I am taking around 40 pixel. Let me click in the save changes. Close it. And after this spacing just drag and drop it here like that. So designing of the footer is complete. Let me click in the update option. But if you come to the website, if you scroll down here you can see footer is not coming. So for that what I have to do? Again I have to come back to the dashboard. From that hover on the theme panel. So here you can see the footer builder, click on that. Now from this drop down actually I have to choose footer. I want fixed footer. I am enabling this one. After that let me click in the save option. Now let me come back here, refresh the page once. So as you can see my footer is coming perfectly. So in this way, by using the footer builder you can create your customized footer. In the same process actually you can create your custom own header also. Now let me teach you how to design this portion actually, how to link up this button etc. So for that actually again I have to come back to the customize option. If you come to the customize option, here you can see one feature called call out. Okay, click on that, click in the general option. So now call out function is nothing but actually this portion. So in the general everything I am keeping default only, no need to change anything. If you want to change always you can do that. After that come back to the content. So in the content actually nothing but this text. Suppose I don't want this text, I want this text. So once you change here you can see automatically the text gets changed here. Now come back to the button. So button what you want to write, and the get in touch actually nothing but the contact page link. So here let me enter the contact as page link. After that whatever that button text will be you can decide here. Suppose here at the place of the get in touch I am writing contact us. So once you change here you can see automatically the text gets changed here. So in this way actually you can customize this call to action session. Hope you understand the concept. Now let me click in the publish option. Now let me come to the website. Now let me refresh the page. So as you can see it's gets changed here. So all the pages also as you can see everything is working perfectly. I am ending the video tutorial here. If you have any kind of doubt always you can ask me in the comment section. If you have any WordPress related project then you can always contact with me with this number or with this email ID. If you really like this video, please like and share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, because if you subscribe my channel that motivate me a lot to create this kind of content. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for getting the latest notification from my channel. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day.